Assalamu alaikum and good morning 10th class. Today it is the period of biology, chapter number 10, lecture number 5. Today our topic is respiratory disorders. There are a number of respiratory disorders which affect people. The percentage of such disorders is particularly high in Pakistan. It is due to the more concentration of air pollutants not only in the urban but also in the rural atmosphere. The major source of the major cause of respiratory disorders is pollution, which is mostly in our villages and our cities. Factories are causing pollutions, motor vehicles are causing pollutions. So pollution is the major cause of respiratory disorders. Disorders mean disease due to the respiratory due to the pollutants in respiratory system. So there are many disorders, there are many disease due to pollution. Number one is bronchitis, emphysema, pneumonia, asthma and lung cancer. First of all, bronchitis. Bronchitis is the inflammation of bronchi or bronchioles. As we already discussed, the trachea divide into bronchi and bronchi further divided into smaller tubules called bronchioles. It results in excessive secretion of mucus into the tubes. Excessive mucus secretion into the tubes and cause swelling tubular walls, narrow tubes. When the bronchioles become inflamed, the tubule becomes narrow and we can't inhale or exhale properly. So there are different causes of bronchitis. Number one, virus. Virus is the major cause of bronchitis. Second, bacteria. Bacteria is also the major cause of bronchitis, and there are some chemical irritants such as tobacco smoke which cause bronchitis. So there are two types of bronchitis. Number one, acute bronchitis. Number two, chronic bronchitis. What do you mean by acute bronchitis? The acute bronchitis usually lasts about 2 weeks and patient recovered with no permanent damage. It lasts for 2 weeks and patient recover after 2 weeks. Second is chronic bronchitis. Chronic मतलब chronic inflammation. It lasts 3 months to 2 years. And what are the symptoms of bronchitis? There are various symptoms of bronchitis. Number one is cough. Number two, mild wheezing. Wheezing means whistling sounds. When we exhale, some sounds are produced. These are called the wheezing sound or whistling sound. Fever means temperature, high temperature. Chills mean cold, shivering, shortness of breath. We feel difficulty in taking breath. So these are the disorders of bronchi, which is called bronchitis, causes, types and symptoms. Second is emphysema. Emphysema is the destruction of the walls of the alveoli. It results in larger sacs but less surface area for exchange of gases. As long as lung tissue breaks down, the lungs do not come back to their original shape after exhalation, so air cannot be pushed out and is trapped in the lungs. If we see it is a picture of alveoli. Here you can see a larger sac due to the infection in lungs, and lungs tissue break and we cannot inhale or exhale properly. What are the symptoms of this emphysema, this disease? There are various symptoms. Number one is shortness of breath. We feel difficulty in breathing. Fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness. Third is recurrent infection. This infection occurs again and again. Number four है weight loss. When we come to know that about this disease, the patient weight has reduced to 50 to 70%. Number third is pneumonia. Pneumonia is infection of lungs. If this infection affects both lungs, then it is called double pneumonia. It is the infection of lungs. If both lungs affected, it is called double pneumonia. The causative organism enters alveoli and settle down and infected the lungs and break lung tissue and filled mucus and pus. And the lungs is filled with mucus and pus and we can't inhale or exhale properly. So what are the causes of pneumonia? Number one cause is the bacteria. The species of bacteria which cause pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumonia. Second is the viral infection, just like influenza virus. This also cause pneumonia. Number third है fungal infection, infection caused by fungus. Now what are the symptoms of pneumonia? Cold with fever, high fever. When a patient suffers from pneumonia, he feels cold with high fever, shivering, just like vibration in the body. Cough with sputum. Cough with sputum mean mucus production. Short of breath, feeling difficulty in breath. Skin purple. The patient's skin becomes purple after pneumonia. Now, what is the treatment of pneumonia? Vaccines are available to prevent pneumonia caused by Streptococcus pneumonia. In addition to vaccines, some antibiotics are also used in the treatment for this disease. Next is asthma. In common language, we call it as dama. This is also the form of allergy in which inflammation of bronchi occurs and more mucus production occur during exhalation, and the air passageway, just like bronchi, bronchioles become narrow and we feel difficulty in breathing. The bronchi or bronchiole are sensitive to different allergen. Allergen mean those substances which cause allergy, just like dust, smoke, perfumes, and pollens. Pollen is present in flowers. These are the small cells in the male and female parts of flower are called pollens. These are microscopic and also cause the allergy. Now, what are the symptoms of asthma? There are various symptoms of asthma: shortness of breath, feeling difficulty in breath, wheezing sound just like the whistling sound, cough, chest tightness. There is come a pressure in chest cavity. And what is the treatment of this disease, asthma? Treatment is inhalers. The inhalers contain medicines which dilate the bronchi or bronchioles, and hence patient can easily inhale or exhale. Our next and last respiratory disorder is lung cancer. Lung cancer is disease of uncontrolled cell division in the tissue of the lungs. The cells continue to divide without any control and form tumors. The cellular growth may also invade adjacent tissue beyond the lungs. So this is the lung cancer, uncontrolled division of cell, and there becomes a ball or just like tumors. Tumors invade or attack the adjacent tissues and destroy them. What are the symptoms of lung cancer? The symptoms are shortness of breath, patient feel difficulty in breathing, coughing, and coughing with blood. When a patient cough, the blood comes out. Number third is weight loss. The body weight becomes reduced. What are the causes of lung cancer? The first cause is carcinogens. Carcinogens are those substances which cause cancers, especially cigarette smoke, because cigarette smoke contains 50 carcinogens. There are 50 chemicals. 50 chemicals mean 50 carcinogens or 50 cancer producing substances present in cigarette smoke. Number second is ionizing radiation. Radiation or different rays cause lung cancer. Viral infection is also the major cause of lung cancer. Now here comes an term passive smoking. Passive smoking means smoke from burning end of a cigarette. A smoker is smoking a cigarette, but a non-smoker which is sitting around the smokers, he also inhale the smoke from burning end of cigarette, and this is called the passive smoke. This is more dangerous than the smokers. And what is the prevention of lung cancer? First is the eliminating tobacco smokes. First of all, quit the tobacco smoking. Second, WHO called government to stop tobacco advertisement. Now the WHO, World Health Organization, advise the government to stop advertising because advertising attracts the young generation for smoking. So these are the prevention of lung cancer. So these are five respiratory disorders which we have discussed thoroughly. Hope you all understand these five disorders of respiratory diseases. Thank you, beta.